G'day, Steve Morgan here. Australian Bass Tournaments and Fishing Monthly magazine. The big day has arrived. The power pole move is about to go from that box there onto the front of my BassCat Pantera Classic. It's been a long time coming. We've got all the wiring sorted out here and we've got pretty much a clean slate to install this motor to. It's one of the first ones in the country. I'm really looking forward to testing it out. I'm looking forward to seeing how much performance improvement that lifting of the weight, and this motor is so light, losing that weight off the front of my deck, but also just the inherent power of that really small armature there. I've got Troy here from Minn Repairs and Service. He is the power pole man in Australia now. If you've got anything power pole, from move to blades on the back of your boat, see him. And you'll see a bit of a montage here of this motor going together. We're going to come back to you at the end with some of the thoughts and how hard it was to install. But when you've got tools like that, you know, he's the man. We're going to get it done. Milwaukee, something about the country that this place was made, mate. It should all go well. We'll come back to you when she's all done.
We drill backwards first when we do an initial pilot hole, so the fiberglass doesn't crack. Should always do that. So the holes, what we do is we finish them off with a stone to chamfer the edge, and then you won't get that crow's feet. So to silicon up the old holes, we use 3M 5200, that's a fast cure, but this is the best stuff to use. And then when you smooth it over, instead of using your spit, just some soapy water, and that's the go. So it's all mounted up now with using 6 bolts and the nylock nuts provided in the bag. And now all we've got to do is wire it up. So now we're mounting the display that they give you. So it's a digital display. You get to choose 3 things here: kilometers per hour, miles per hour thrust. Then it gives you all your GPS, lights, prop on, heading, and then anchor feature. So we've finally finished here. We've got the motor on, as you've seen, and now we've fitted up the accessories. We've got the pedal there. As you see, when you turn that on, it moves forward and aft. You've got the little LED indicator there, so you know what you're doing. Steve, we put the charger, wireless charger for the remote in the locker there. Yeah, it's all ready to go. It was pretty easy. It took us a few hours. We had a few laughs along the way because it's the first one, but yeah, they're good little motors and very easy to do. Can't wait to see it on the water with Steve.